Hi guys, so in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can get that beautiful easing animation in Unity. So enough talking, let's hop into the video. So we're gonna open up Unity, create a new project, good stuff, creating 3D, just normal one. Okay, now click on the camera. I wanted to make like a casual style graphics. So change the projection to auto graphic. Just copy the settings or anything you like. But I like this. Create a new empty. Name this ground. This is like a group or these group things. Create a new cube. Name it cube. I don't know why. Then I need to type it again. Drag it inside of it. Now as you can see, it doesn't like appear. Now let's click on this. Now it'll appear. Now we're gonna go and click on the position of this and change the rotation to 45, and boom, we got ourselves some amazing graphics right here. Now the next thing I want to do, click on animation, create this animation clip. Yeah, now click on record, change the value 1, boom, to something. Now change it back. Now go to 1 second, add in a new keyframe, and this keyframe will change into x-axis. Go to 30, do like 0.30 or something. Boom, click on it, and we're gonna go and just like extend the timeline, extend the frames. Click on this, alright, and then we're gonna change the Z so to make it like a platform. So this is like the basics, but you can use this in every game that you want. Click on this. After that, start recording. As you can see, if we play normally, well, here, yeah, you get the point. It looks like a computer did it. It looks like the computer just did it for us. It looks super linear. So here, all right, click on dope shape. Now we're going to ease this. We're gonna go at first we're gonna ease like the x-axis one. Click on this, yeah, something like that, just that, and click on this, boom, just that. Okay, now we click and take a look at it again. A lot smoother, like a big improvement. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will help you. Liking, sharing, and subscribing would be an enormous boost to this channel. Again, if you like this video, like and sharing and subscribe. Share your thought on this video in the comments below. Thank you for watching.